Good morning, students. Many students have said that in literature they can read the full chapter as well as there are so many questions and answers. So in that sections they don't have much problem. But when they solve the grammatical parts, in that condition they have to face a lot of problems. So to remove that, I am about to start a very important topic of grammar section, and that is the editing. Okay, so today's the chapter's name is basic concepts of editing. Editing is based on the grammar section, and if we observe it very minutely, we can see that it is based on mostly 2 points. The first is tense, and the second one is parts of speech. In tense, we can see there are two things. First is helping verb, and the second is main verb. Verb means main verb and the additional verbs. So, by observing the helping verb, we can come to know what is the tense of the sentence, as well as the main verb also get some points that the sentence belongs to which tense. So, in the sentence, we can see the main verb as well as there are some additional verbs which work like a gerund as well as the infinitive. Now the question is, what is gerund and what is infinitive? So when we add ing in the verb first form, that is called the gerund form, but it acts like the subject or the object. Remember this, that main verb is not the gerund. Now the second one is infinitive. When we use to before any verb, that is called infinitive. Okay, so about the tense, helping verb, verb, and it's a gerund and infinitive. Mostly we can see in the part of tense, as well as we have the second one, that is the parts of speech. In parts of speech, as you know that in class 3rd, 4th and 5th you have already read about the parts of speech. There are so many, but here we have to focus on some parts of speech, that's like preposition, conjunction, adverb, noun, pronoun and adjective, because in the exam these kinds of errors mostly are asked. But it is not all in all. You have to know some common rules of grammar also. As you know that there are so many rules in grammar. So if we want to solve these kinds of problems, we have the common rules of grammar, so then we can correct the sentences in good manner. I am giving here some examples like proper use of words. There are so many words which are same when we see them, just like as affect, effect, advise, advise. So what is the difference between them? There are so many words also like principle. Okay, so if we have good knowledge about these kinds of verbs, so in that condition we can use them correctly and we can make the sentence full of corrections. Okay, as well as there are about the subject, it's a singular and also the plural. As you know that the helping verb and the main verb both are based on the use of subject. According to the singular, according to the plural subject, we can use them. Now we talk about the case. As you know already that there are three kinds of case, like subjective case, objective case and possessive case, and these are the parts of pronoun and adjective. Now we solve the exercise and we can come to know what kinds of problems of errors we find in our sentences. So let's have a look of a passage. Now you can see a paragraph and there are 4 errors in the paragraph, because as you know that there is only one mistake in one line. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's read the sentences and try to find out about the problems. So the first sentence here, such goals is not goals at all, they are. So from such to or we have to find out what is the basic error in the sentence. So you can see the subject is goals, and goals is the plural subject, not a singular subject. So in this way helping verb are will be used in the place of is. So I think the first is clear to you. Now we move for the second one. The second line is merely fantasies success people find out. Now you can see here about the success people. Here the word should be like an adjective. Okay, adjective means successful, not a success. So successful people should be here. So we will remove for success to successful. Successful people find out. Okay, now we move for the third line, what it costs to make his dream come true. Now you can see here the subject is successful people and it is the plural, not the singular. So according to this we will have to use here there in the place of his. We will use here there. Okay, make their dream come true. And now we move for the last line, they don't complain when the effort made. As you know, when we do any kind of work we have to make a lot of efforts, not a single effort but a lot of efforts. So here should be the efforts. So I can revise it that in the first line such goals is, so in the place of is we will use are. The next one is success people, so here we will use successful people. And after that what it costs to make his, in the place of his we will use there because the subject is here plural. And the last one, they don't complain when the effort, and effort will be changed for the efforts because people have to do a lot of efforts in the form of the plural. So I think all the 4 doubts are clear to you. So in this way when you make a lot of practice, so in that condition you can solve these kinds of errors. Mostly the errors we know already, but because of lack of the practice we have to suffer much. Okay, so I hope you will practice very much and you will solve so many exercises. And if you have any kind of problem or confusion you can ask me and I would like to give the answers to you. Okay, so in this way today's class is done. I hope you will like it and all the very best for your coming exams. Okay, goodbye.